How to turn off mentions on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram, and once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner, and then click on the three lines at the top right of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy, and here you want to scroll to the interactions section right here, and from there click on mentions, and here you'll be able to allow the mentions for certain people. Say for example, you only want people you follow to be able to mention you, or you want to disable and turn off this completely by selecting the no one option at the bottom. As you can see, it tells you choose who can mention you to link to your account in their stories, comments, live videos, and captions. And when people try to mention you, they'll see if you don't allow mentions. So keep that in mind. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable mentions on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.